So somebody's here. There's a fire here to keep the place warm. Hello? What's up, everyone? This is Emilio with Quick Property Solutions. I'm here in Detroit on the east side. I'm about to walk this vacant house, and I'm gonna be honest, it's been a couple months since I've actually posted any content. I have been so super busy, and then I was about to walk this house. Apparently it is vacant, and I was like, you know what, why not start it off, break my drought by recording me walking through this property. This is a 3-bedroom bungalow. It is vacant. This is my second time coming here. The first time I came here, I tried going in the back, and someone came around the corner and they said like, hey, they said that they were living here, that they were the tenant. Then we reached out to the owner and pretty much was like, I said, hey man, the owner said this was vacant, and they seemed shocked that I knew that. And then I also noticed that this electric meter here didn't have any power. So then I was like, well, if they're living here, they don't even have any power to the house. So I reached out to the owner and they said they sent somebody again, and they said now the house is vacant. So I am back here again. I'm about to walk this property, and the one thing I'm gonna do is I have to jump through, let me turn this light on. Let's see here. I have to jump through this door. There's a combination lock here, and I'd be shocked to hear to know if like the owner actually had this, but I doubt they do. Hello? Hello? So if this is your first time watching me, again, my name is Emilio. I am a wholesaler, buyer. We buy, we flip, we do rentals, we do renovations in the city of Detroit and the Metro Detroit area. I record these videos once in a while just to kind of like share my world. This is what I do, and also to kind of inform people of investing in Detroit. So if you're new to investing in Detroit, or you have any questions about Detroit, please click on the link in the description below. Love to help you out and answer any questions that you have. And if you notice, I will be constantly knocking, making loud noises to let somebody know if they're sleeping upstairs that I am here. Technically, you know, I mean, not technically, but they are squatters. But I mean, dude, I don't want to run into anybody in the house. God knows what will happen. People get shot here all the time. So yeah, so here we go. I'm going to put the camera on pause. I'm going to jump through this window right here, and then I'm going to flip the camera on. We'll walk through this house together. Okay, that was a complete fail, and I'll tell you why. Is because it was difficult to jump in here. There's nothing to hold, and then I realized I put my hand on the corner, and I looked in there's broken glass here on the edges, so thankfully I didn't get cut too bad, but probably not the best way to go about it. But I got a lock. There's a lock here. I got bolt cutters. I got a crowbar in the car. I'm gonna try and pop it open. Front door is locked, so this might be the best route to take, is to cut the bolt. So I'm gonna just put this on pause and try and get that cut so I can go inside. Okay, I'm in. So the crowbar didn't work. The bolt cutters didn't work. I actually found a ladder in the backyard, and I just propped it up against here. Helped me to not have to jump over. So sorry, a little bit out of breath. So I am in this vacant house. Honestly, last time there was somebody here. Hopefully they're still not here. Like I said, I'm just gonna knock through the house and just constantly repeat that I'm here to take pictures. So let me flip this camera around. I have to take pictures at the same time. Oh shit. Hello? So somebody's here. There's a fire here to keep the place warm. Hello? I'm just here to take pictures. Hello? There's power in here too. Hello? Alright, so I don't want to be here longer than I need to be. I want to get out of here pretty quickly. So I'm going to keep this video short. To be honest, because it looks like there's somebody here, I don't want them to come back. Hello? I just want to get general pictures. I'll be quick about it. Anyways, let me go upstairs. This is where I really wanted to see what's upstairs. Because there was a roofing issue. I wanted to see how bad it is upstairs. Well, let's take upstairs. So it looks like there was some water seepage down here. You can see the water over there on that wall. I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna try and get in and out of here as quick as possible. The fact that it looks like there's somebody still living here. He can come back at any time, so I'm gonna get out of here as soon as possible. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the basement real quick. Check out the foundation wall. There's some water leakage. It's probably from a water meter. There's the electrical panel. Okay, another thing too is a lot of the times squatters don't actually really understand. They think the place is theirs. They get rights to the house, so they get protective about the property. So I'm gonna end this video short. Alright, I had to get out of there as soon as possible. I did not feel comfortable being at a house, so I just booked it out of there. That is part of the thing of like walking vacant houses. I normally don't have a problem with it, but once I start seeing that someone lives there, it makes me super nervous. But anyways, I'm in downtown Detroit and I still wanted to shoot this video because I had to go pay some blight tickets, and I was like, you know what, pay some blight tickets, I'm gonna come down here and get something to eat. And I just wanted to show you the background here. Today's Friday, so they got like food trucks out here. Everyone comes from the office buildings, and they all, like, you know, they eat their lunch and they walk around. It's really nice over here, man. I really enjoy it. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and if you are a subscriber of my channel, I do apologize for the lack of content. I have been growing my team out, expanding the business. We're doing renovations now. I just added 2 members to the team. They're doing fantastic, but I am very highly focused on their training. Actually, this past week has been difficult to try and get like those training calls in, but they're doing great, and I am trying to start to expand. And when I do that, I have not been recording as much as I have been wanting to. It's kind of like going to the gym, you know, with this. It's when I was shooting videos and I'm working those videos, it's like muscle memory. And then when you just stop for a little bit, you start to kind of like slack off and start to get lazy with it. I will say this, is that I also tried doing this thing where I do a lot more editing on my videos, and instead of that guerrilla style video shooting style that I used to do, I don't really like the editing videos, man. Like I like to just get the camera, point the camera, shoot the video, little edits, just get it up, get it out there on YouTube, and I think people appreciate that. So I hope you guys like the video. Again, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you are looking to invest in the area, ask me anything. If you're a new wholesaler in the area, we'd love to do joint venture deals. If you're rehabbing in the area, we're doing renovations now, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.